Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to discuss about 5 main reasons why you should purchase this mouse Razer Viper V3 Pro. Okay, so in this video I'm going to discuss about each and everything why this mouse is very important. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you Razer Viper 3 Viper is a very popular brand, and you know very well they have lots of mouse, but in this mouse what are the main specifications? So the first thing you can see, 55-gram lightweight. The weight of this mouse is only like 55 gram. Okay, now let's talk about the second thing, the second most important thing, that is like 35k dpi. Generally most of the mouse comes with only like 1600 dpi or 2000 dpi or 800 dpi. So this will comes with like 35k dpi. 35k dpi is very huge and very, you can like density of, you can like DPI is really amazing. You can play each and every game with, you can say like lots of accuracy. Okay, so this is the best part. Now this is the another best part, that is like programmable you can like buttons. There are 8 programmable buttons. You can select any button by your choice. Like you can see over here, there are lots of buttons on this mouse, and you can choose each and every button by your own. The function you want to define, you can define by on which button you are going to use. You can define it very easily, and it will comes with 95 hours of battery backup. And even you can see like there is a button, there is a option like you can also charge this you can like mouse with the help of type C rechargeable cable. Okay, basically this mouse is comes with rechargeable batteries. So this is also a really amazing and really amazing mouse. So you can make a purchase of this mouse without any doubt. This is a very good for gaming, very good for each and everything. This mouse is looking like very, you can like generation 3, you can optical switch they are also providing you. So basically each and everything is really amazing. You should purchase at least once. Okay, so if you have already a budget. Okay, so if you are going to make a purchase, please buy this mouse in our video description box link. It will help us in you can like some commission. Okay, so thanks for watching this video my dear friends, and bye bye.